Hello everyone and welcome back to another minute concept, this time about energy, work, and power. So first let's start off with describing what energy is. Energy is the ability or the capacity of an object to do work. And this is because when there's energy, it can never be destroyed. Energy can only ever be transformed. And what does this mean? Take into account, for example, the solar energy from the sun. This form of energy is transformed when it gets to our planet in the form of, let's say, solar panels. Through solar panels, we're going to convert that energy and turn it into electricity. And that's an essential point on energy because you cannot create it and you cannot destroy it. You can only ever transform. And this transformation is actually what we call work. Work is the measurement of energy that is transformed. And work can also be described mathematically as FD cosine theta. What does this mean? In a mechanical sense, work is just how the magnitude of the force as well as the displacement of an object that is going in the same direction. So for example, take into account this person pushing this box. This person is pushing it to the right, and the box is also going to the right. That means since they're going in the same direction or they're going in the same plane, in other words, horizontal motion, they actually are doing work. So what's important about an object in order for it to do work is that F and D, which is force and displacement, must always be aligned. So they cannot be going in perpendicular angles. This is not allowed. They can only be going at angles that have an actual cosine value. So that's what work is. More on that in the in-depth video. Now, power on the other hand, lastly, is going to be described using this formula, which is just work over time. So power is basically just how fast energy is being converted. So for example, in your car, you might see a measurement called horsepower for its engine. That's actually how fast the fuel, or for example, the ability of the engine to turn and do all of that. That's how that's how fast it's able to convert the mechanical energy from the engine to the wheels. That's how fast or how effective it is at pushing your car forward. And there are many units of measurements for power. There's watts, there's horsepower, there's newton meter per second, which is also just watts. So thank you everyone for watching this minute concept. I hope you guys learned from this one. There's going to be more about this in problem solving regarding these topics in the next in-depth video. But for now, this is the definition of energy, work, and power. So thank you everyone and goodbye.